In this video, I'll show you how to install the requested character pack in GTA 4 and play with brand new characters. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option and wait for 30 seconds and then select the download now option. After download done, right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Before doing this mod, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Go back. You need to pack up your GTA 4 game folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, minimize this folder, open this requested characters pack, open the character you want in game. I'm going with this Snoop Dogg. Once you inside the folder, open the OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed yet, check my video description for this tutorial. Watch this video and install the OpenIV. Once the installation done, open the PC, models, CD images, playerped.rpf, go back to mod folder, select all these files except the JPG and walk style, drag and drop to here. Before that, select the edit mode in OpenIV and select yes. Now drag and drop these files inside here. Once you're done, now open the walk style and go back OpenIV, go to GTA 4 to PC anim anim.img and drag and drop this move underscore play dot inside. Before that, select edit mode and select yes option. Drag and drop. Now close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, as you can see, the character is changed to Snoop Dogg. Now I'll show you guys a walking comparison. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.